Red Hydrogen 1 update points to the founders already using prototypes and loving it. MWC rumors point to the Huawei P20 not making an appearance, and it seems the iPhone X will be no more after the next update. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I ran for the first time today in 2018, and the only reason why I finished the run was because I needed to get back to the car. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with Verizon buy one get one free deals. We just made a video on the Galaxy S8, which is included in the list. In addition to the Moto Z2 Force, we've got the LG V30, and the coolest one, the Google Pixel 2, is also on the list. Obviously, there are a ton of conditions. You can learn more about them in the description. Now let's talk about the Apple HomePod. For all 4 or 5 of you that still want to get this product, pre-orders begin on January 26th. You can get your own by February 9th. I still consider the HomePod to be one of those products that I don't want to buy for so much money, but we can't wait to get it for review and tell you more about it. Now let's talk about the first and probably only generation iPhone X, as we've got some trusted sources claiming that apparently the phone will be no more after the whatever launch of whatever iPhones come later this year. Apparently it's going to be so expensive for Apple to make that phone less expensive, as it usually does with older iPhones, that it might as well just launch 3 new iPhones with a better price tag. We will tell you more as soon as we get more details. Now let's talk about MWC 2018. We already began to get press invitations, this time for Huawei, and we were expecting the Huawei P20 to make an appearance, but sources claim that the P20 is not going to be announced. The company wants to focus its guns on its launch in the United States, and less products would probably be the best approach. Now, again, these are just rumors. We will keep you posted, as we're pretty much just a month away from MWC. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Red Hydrogen 1. We've got the company's founder telling us that he's already got a prototype, he's been testing it out, and he's been blowing people away every time he gets to show it to everyone. There is a full list of all the specifications being detailed, most interesting ones, Snapdragon 835X, and well, I already asked Qualcomm what the X stands for, as to my knowledge, it jumps directly to the 845, so hopefully this is not a typo. We hear that this phone will be dual SIM, include expandable memory, and the modularity is awesome. Probably the coolest thing is the 2D Quad HD display that allows you to view content in 4V, which is the way they're dubbing the holographic capabilities, and you'll also be able to record video in holographic quality. And apparently this is a new way to record video as well. It leads me to the question today: are you excited by this Red Hydrogen 1 or not? In my case, I would like to see that whole cinematic camera approach module. Probably that would be the main reason why I would invest in such a product, but leave us a comment down below. Love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the iPhone X down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.